welcome back to my channel. I am Juju Gurjal, and today I will be teaching you how to make omelette stuffed tomatoes. And for this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: onions, garlic, Parmesan cheese, turkey and mozzarella cheese, eggs, tomatoes. Beat everything together except for the Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Cut the top of the tomato and save it, as we will be using it for later when we put the tomato in the oven along with the omelette. Also, remove the pulp with a knife, and then make sure all of the seeds and pulp has been removed. You want to make sure that there is no seeds left over inside of the tomato. Add olive oil to the tomatoes before adding the omelette. Now go ahead and add the mozzarella cheese. Top it off with Parmesan cheese. Place the top of the tomato right back on it and secure it with toothpicks before taking it to the oven. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it is cooked. And then take it out, add some more cheese if you'd like, put it back in for another 5 minutes or until your cheese is golden like this.